Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a new tab group on your Chrome Android on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a group of tabs or tab group on your Chrome mobile. For example, now I'm just going to you can see there's a lot of groups here, tabs here. So if you just need to create a group of group tab, you just need to long press on the any tab first. For example, it's just going to choose a particular tab here, like this tab. Long press on it and just drag and drop on the another tab. It automatically create a group tab. So now you just need to name the group tab first. So you can just name it like a photo or image, whatever you just needed. Then choose the color of the tab here. After creating this, click on the done option. Your group tab has been created. So you can just add more tabs to the same group tab by just long press on the tab, just drag it and drop it on the group tags. So if you just press two tabs, it automatically created as a group tab. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. Leave me in the next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.